So I got this 1More SonoFlow active noise cancelling headphones. I don't know why, but when I see this picture, it reminds me of my Sony X1000 M3 headphones right away. So I guess I'm gonna compare it to that. So let's open it up. Can't see what's inside. I mean, this unit is $100 US or lower, because sometimes this will be discounted. And I'm comparing it to my then about $300 headphones. Better than both, actually. So let's compare it with this. It actually looks very close to the Sony headphone case as well. Let's see what's inside. It's being folded the exact same way too. So I got the 3.5 to 3.5 mil to be plugged in. And also USB to USB-C. But there is no F-type connector that some airlines still use. Some Air Canada still use that. Cathay Pacific still use that. So it's something that you have to spend another maybe about $5, $10 for it. The inside of the headphones is very nice. Left and right, written very clearly. You don't have to guess, you don't have to wear your glasses. I don't have to wear my glasses. I can see it very clearly. A lot of red accents everywhere on the USB-C. On the 3.5 input. It feels really nice. It feels as good, if not better, than my Sony. Well, let's have a listen. So as you can see, this is the Sony, and right next to it, the 1More. Pretty much identical. It is not too difficult to see the left and right indicator on the Sony, but I don't think anybody's gonna miss the left and right indicator on the 1More SonoFlow headphone. This time I'm going to start with comfort, because for me, if I'm wearing an active noise cancelling headphones, I usually wear it during my flight. So my usual flight is flying to Indonesia, about 24 to 25 hours flight one way, and obviously another 25 on the way back, plus waiting at the airport. So as for comfort, the headphone is as good as my favorite Sony 1000XM3 with battery life that's actually totaled about 65 hours before I need to recharge. Now this is where it gets interesting. The sound quality is pretty much identical to the Sony 1000XM3, but at 1/3 of a price. And I don't even compare it to the XM5, the latest one, because I prefer the XM3 over the bass bloat on the XM5. Considering the price of the XM5 is $400, and the XM5 being a lot less comfortable than the SonoFlow, doesn't take a genius to buy the SonoFlow over the Sony 1000XM5. After all, the SonoFlow sounds as good, has a similar effectiveness in active noise cancelling, markedly more comfortable than the XM5, at 1/4 of the price. Yes, 1/4 of the price. So, anybody wants to buy a slightly used Sony 1000XM3? Leave your comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.